What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to draw clothes and wrinkles and how to use the kind of the curve direction to get the wrinkles just right. So right now I'm doing the cylinders to lay out the structure, making the arm and the body. For this, I'm also going by reference for all three of these because it's best to use reference when you're working with clothing or practicing with clothing, because you want to make sure you get the direction of the wrinkles just right and the tension of where the wrinkles are going. So right now I'm curving the lines around the cylinder because when you're drawing or doing wrinkles, the wrinkles actually go around the arm, like it's kind of like a curve. And you don't want to make sure if the lines are too straight, it's gonna look flat. You don't want it to look that way. So when I get to the elbow, the wrinkles get a lot more closer, and there's probably a lot more wrinkles in that area. And since this is a long sleeve shirt, there's wrinkles pretty much all over the forearm and where the biceps are. Now under the arm, because the arm is being raised, the tension is being pulled up, so it's kind of like a shirt stretching up, and you want to make sure you draw the line. It's almost like you're pulling. Like if you pull a rag, it puts a lot of tension onto it. And even right here on the underarm. And right now I'm adding a little more darker lines to find the shadows a bit. And for these, I decided to use the iPad because a lot of these practices tend to waste a lot of paper doing a bunch of these different things. Now here's the next one I'm working on. And for this one, I decided to go with the jacket. I think the jacket cuts a little bit higher on the arms. But right now I'm working with the box shapes. And I did the triangle to get the neck and the inside of the chest, circle for the shoulders, the cylinders for the arms, another circle in the middle for the elbows. And now I'm also once again working in those curves around that cylinder to get the wrinkles right. Because a lot of times I see in especially people starting out, a lot of the lines for the wrinkles will be straight in that curve. Like you have to make sure they're curved for it to look right. So this is a jacket and it's a little looser. I'm trying to make it puff out. So I have a little bit of tension on the inside also, as well as the tension bending as the bottom part of the jacket starts to come up, which you'll see. And right here, I'm working in the bottom part of the jacket, getting those wrinkles in for that part. The tension where it's pulling because his arms are being raised up. Now I'm starting to work in the other side. And working with wrinkles in clothing is fairly easy. I mean, you can practice with cloth, get a piece of cloth, sit it somewhere, and draw that from different angles, and get like a lamp or a light to shine on it so you can see where the shadows are, and placements of where all the wrinkles are located at, and drawing that a lot of times, and then going towards clothing, taking clothing, you can have it on a hanger and put that somewhere, take a picture of it or whatever, and just start drawing that. Now for this next one is the back of a shirt, or a dress shirt. So again, working in the box shape for the body, and then the triangle for the neck. I may do a tutorial in the future on creating box shapes and creating curve shape forms from the box shapes to get a figure. That's as much as I have for all of you today. If you want to see more videos like this or more tutorials on different poses, just like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the vid.